Can a criminal trial verdict be appealed in court? Breaking news for those following legal developments. A hot topic right now is whether a criminal trial verdict can be appealed in court. If you or someone you know is facing a conviction, understanding this process is essential. Let's break it down. Yes, a criminal trial verdict can generally be appealed in court, but there are some important conditions and deadlines to keep in mind. After a criminal conviction, the defendant has the right to file an appeal. This appeal challenges the verdict or the sentence handed down by the court. However, timing is everything. For federal cases, the deadline to file a notice of appeal is typically just 14 days after the judgment is entered. That is a very short window to act. In state courts, deadlines can vary. For example, in Minnesota, defendants have 90 days for felony cases to file their appeals. Appeals are usually based on claims that legal errors occurred during the trial. This can include violations of constitutional rights, improper admission of evidence, or mistakes in sentencing procedures. It is important to note that, if a defendant entered into a plea agreement that includes an appeal waiver, this can limit or even eliminate the right to appeal. Courts generally enforce valid appeal waivers in these agreements. This means that the defendant cannot appeal issues covered by the waiver unless those claims fall outside its scope. If the deadline to file an appeal has passed, there may still be other options for post-conviction relief. These options include motions under Habeas Corpus statutes or other federal post-conviction motions. However, these alternatives are more limited and come with their own procedural requirements. In summary, a criminal trial verdict can be appealed, but doing so depends on meeting strict deadlines, the terms of any plea agreement, and the grounds for the appeal. Consulting a criminal defense attorney promptly after judgment is essential to preserve appeal rights. Understanding these factors can make a significant difference in navigating the legal system.